Hey, shalom y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going over a nice alternative to wire nuts. So, in case you working on something like I'm working on today, changing out the ballast to, these will work for anything, but this is what I'm working on. I'm changing out the ballast to that, or at least I've already done it. You already know, many of you already know if you're venturing into this, these things are actually color coded, but I had to remove these. Alright, so there's this little tool, and it's called a wire tap. No, hold on. Hey, shalom y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about push wire cable connectors, alright? Which is going to be this little baby. This little doohickey. Alright? So today, changing out the ballast to already changed it anyway. Changing out the ballast to my fluorescent lights. I already changed the one out there. But these things make life so much easier, especially when using like these, right? These things, well, it's a nice alternative instead of using wire nuts, right? So you're just gonna come along. Hold on, let me get the camera. All right. Tell you what, let me stop and put the camera around towards me. Okay, so we're gonna take out wires after you've already got them even, right? Bang, just like that. You're over there now. We're gonna take our wires. We're gonna strip them back. Just like so. Alright. Alright. Now imagine, now we're going to take our push wire connector. Alright. And y'all probably know about this already. It's just new to me. So, whatever. This is just an alternative to, and you just push these in there and they stay. Right? They stay. Now, we come over to our ballast, all right. Come over to our ballast, all right. Just for aesthetics, let's cut that down. Strip that back. Strip that back. Now we're left with that. All right. This is the red side to the ballast. What are they calling this actually? Red, oh, just lamp, just different lamp power terminals. All right, and now we just gonna connect this because I'm not about to take down the lamp. I'm not about to take down the whole fixture to do this. So now we just take these and we're just gonna push these right in there like that. All right, look at that. Now who needs to now we don't need to climb up there, take the whole fixture down. Now we could just snip the wires in between here, insert our wire connectors, and we don't need to worry about the use of using wire nuts anymore. This is saved me a lot of time and made the install great. I hope this helps somebody. Shalom.